Hello, this is Mr. Marvin, and I will walk you through the simple steps in exploring the Insert tab for Google Slides using your computer. Let us be familiar with Google Slides by identifying the functions and commands available on its ribbon. Below the title bar of your presentation is the ribbon. The ribbon consists of the tabs and the command buttons. The fourth tab in Google Slides is the Insert tab. The Insert tab keeps the command buttons for different actions. From the Insert tab, the Image command button can be used to add an image to the slide. An image can be uploaded from your computer drive, from the web, from your Google Drive, Google Photos, and taken directly by the computer camera. From the Insert tab, the text box command button can be used to add a text or an image to the slide. As soon as the text box button is activated, a crosshair appears that can create a box to insert a text or an image. From the Insert tab, the Audio command button can be used to add an audio file to the slide. The audio file can be inserted from Google Drive, drives shared by other people, and from recently opened drives. From the Insert tab, the Video command button can be used to add a video file to the slide. The video file can be inserted from Google Drive, from a website, or from YouTube. From the Insert tab, the Shape command button can be used to insert into the slide different shapes, arrows, callouts, and equations. The Shape button opens a command box for adding shapes, arrows, callouts, and equations. From the Insert tab, the Table command button can be used to add a table to the slide. This command allows you to set the number of rows and columns of the table that you add to the slide. From the Insert tab, the Chart command button can be used to insert a chart or a graph into the slide. You can choose from a list of charts, such as bar, column, line, and pie chart. You can also insert a chart from your Google Sheets folder. From the Insert tab, the Diagram command button can be used to insert an appropriate diagram into the slide. You can then choose an appropriate diagram to add to your presentation. From the Insert tab, the Word Art command button can be used to insert a word art into the slide. Type the text for your word art and choose which style works best for your presentation. From the Insert tab, the Line command button can be used to insert a specific type of line into the slide. The Line button offers a choice of the type of line: arrow, connector, curve, polyline, among many others. From the Insert tab, the Special Character command button can be used to insert a special character into the slide. The command opens a new box of special characters that can be searched and selected. From the Insert tab, the Animation command button can be used to create an animation to a word or image in the slide. As the command opens a box at the right of the slide, choose the animation and its duration. From the Insert tab, the Link command button can be used to insert a web link into a word or phrase in the slide. The link to an online document or a website can be added to a text or an image that is previously highlighted. From the Insert tab, the Comment command button can be used to insert a box where a comment can be written. The command opens a comment box on the right side of the slide where a comment to the presentation or a slide can be written. From the Insert tab, the New Slide command button can be used to insert a new slide after the current slide. From the Insert tab, the Slide Numbers command button can be used to insert the number at the bottom of each slide. You can find the next tutorial video on exploring the Format tab for Google Slides using your computer. This is a tutorial by Mr. Marvin.